I'm recording this now, so don't cuss.
Why don't you lick instead of bite, huh? Huh? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I'm trying to shift on the bed so I can get pictures of you guys, but I'm not able to aim like that. See, if you did this to me, I'd kill you, because you're really good looking, so.
Mm.
Oh, get his fuzzy butt off our pillows.
Super puppy. Okay, you lay like you laid this morning, little boy. Not my shirt. Ouch.
Is he eating your beard?